Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a quick keyboard shortcut in Mac. So especially if you're coming from Windows background, this will help. You might have used a lot of Alt F4 in Windows. So the Alt F4 is to close the window, right? So equivalent in Mac is the Command W. If you press Command W, the current window or current tab will be closed. So for example in Chrome, if you press Command W, this tab will be closed, right? Similarly, if you're in any application, say I have I'm in Excel, if you press Command W, it will close. And what if you have some data which is unsaved, right? So in Windows we would have, again, similar pop-up would have come, and we would have pressed yes or n. S for save, n for no. And here we have an option to save or not to save. To save we have to press enter. Not to save we have to press command and D, right? Command and D. So without saving, the file will be closed, right? I mean, the pop-up also will go and the screen also will go. So I have a lot of Windows Excel sessions tab, so I can close by pressing Command W. So this is very handy, right? So what if you have to close the complete application, right? So you are into this, again there are multiple tabs open for Excel, and you want to get rid of all the tabs and quit the Excel, right? So for that you have to press Command and Q, right? So again, similarly, you'll get an option here whether to save or not. You can press Command D, and whatever files you have some data which was not saved, for each tab you will get a pop-up, right? So same here in browser. If you press Command and Q, the entire browser will be quit. And remember, quit is like closing all the application, overall application, right? But this Command W is just close a tab, right? So be careful with that. If you have anything unsaved, uh, and if you don't get that pop-up, you will be in trouble, right? So better to use Command W instead of Command quit. See here, if you press again, it will go, right? And you have to be in that context. So right now I'm in this context. If I press Command and W, it will close. If you are not in this context, again nothing will happen basically, right? So you have to be in that context to close that window. So I'm just pressing Command and W, right? That's all folks today. I think it will be useful for people who are coming from Windows background. Thank you.